Hey, so in this video, I'll share with you 3 best grill brushes without bristles. So basically, Bristol-free grill cleaning tools. 3 of them, check them out in the description. All the links are available there. First one I have for you is the Easy Function grill brush without bristles, or Bristol-free grill brush. Available on Amazon Canada. The link is down in the description. This is a tool for grill cleaning. It's coiled, so there are no wire bristles, but there are coils that kind of go on your grates and clean your grates. So this can clean on top of your grates, in between. You can use the brush on the side or like horizontal manner like this. In the description, I'll leave for you the link to the tool itself, but also a video that shows you in a quick way how to use it. The best way I would recommend you using this tool, or kind of any grill brush, while cleaning on hot grates. So first, heat up your grill, then use the tool on hot grates and dip the tool in water while doing that. This will create the steam cleaning effect, which basically helps you clean faster and in a better way. So again, the Easy Function Bristol-free grill brush is in the description. That's number 1. Number 2 is kind of the same tool. It's still the Easy Function grill brush Bristol-free with a scraper. So there's an additional scraper on the tool. The scraper is like attached basically to the brush, and by using the brush on the grates, the scraper gets kind of rid of the big gunk and char on the grates. So this is a good addition to the basic model, and it's getting popularity with the customers' Easy Function. So check it out in the description. The link to the tool on Amazon Canada is also available. Number 3 is the Easy Function wood grill scraper. Now, what is like a wood grill scraper? It's an alternative to wire grill brushes. It's bristle-free, but it's made of wood. Right, so this is a wooden grill cleaning tool. Now, if you're first time hearing about this concept, let me explain to you how it works and what it is. So this is a tool made of wood, a wooden grill scraper, basically like a wooden plank in a nice shape for your hands, for comfortability and nice kind of easy grill cleaning. So you put that tool, that wooden tool, on hot grates, and the tool will then have little trenches formed within the tool. So in this way, the form of the grates will be within your scraper. Again, there's a video on how to use this tool in the description, so you can actually see how it works. This tool is available on Amazon USA and Canada, so check it out. I believe over 3,000 reviews to the Easy Function grill scraper on Amazon USA, and getting close to 3,000 on Amazon Canada. And it comes in a gift box. What's cool, so you can gift it. The previous products do not come in the gift box, so this tool is good for grill cleaning, also giftable, also safe, and also does deliver good cleaning results. One thing though, please, if you want to invest in that tool, please do. But also, when you use it, remember that you have to first form those trenches within the tool. A wooden plank itself, like the Easy Function wooden grill scraper, without being used on hot grates, will not work. So then it's kind of returns and refunds, and yeah, you know, sellers don't enjoy that too much, and buyers neither. So understand that first you have to get those trenches done within the tool by, again, heating up your grill very well. Move the tool back and forth on the grates. You'll see smoke coming out, and you'll see that the kind of trenches form within the tool, and this will kind of catch the form of your grates. The tool will catch the form of your grates. It will conform to your grates. Okay? Other than that, it won't work. So in order to make it work, use it on hot grates, back and forth. The video in the description explains to you how to do that. And again, all the tools, 3 of them, are in the description. Easy Function Bristol-free grill brush. 1, 2, Easy Function Bristol-free grill brush with a scraper. Number 3, wooden grill scraper by Easy Function. Check them out, and good luck. Enjoy. Bye bye.